Hi to all, welcome to HAF channel. You are watching health, environment, food safety, fire safety, sustainability solutions. Today we are discussing about a very interesting topic, that is Global Wellness Day. So what is the Global Wellness Day importance and how we will be celebrating, and let us will discuss. So Global Wellness Day is the all of us would like to healthier, to better and to live well both physically and spiritually. So living well is almost the entire old shared dream, as everything that is precious to us has been honored with a special day. Why is that we don't have a special global day dedicated to the only thing which is really valuable to all of us, that is living well? We can now answer these questions by saying it now exists. This special day is called Global Wellness Day, with the slogan "One day can change your whole life." We celebrate Global Wellness Day on the second Saturday of June every year as International Day. So Global Wellness Day is an entirely not for profit day, a social project dedicated to living well. The purpose of Global Wellness Day is to ask the question, even if for just one day, how can I live a healthier and better life, to direct the thoughts of both individuals and society towards living well and to raise awareness. The main aims of the day are to recognize the value of our lives, to pause and think, even if for just one day of the year, to be free from the stress of everyday city life and bad habits, to make peace with ourselves, to raise awareness about living well and increase motivation, not just for today but for the remaining 364 days of the year. First celebrated in 2012, Global Wellness Day was established in Turkey at the first day dedicated to living well and has now been accepted worldwide, reflecting its success. In 2019, Global Wellness Day has been celebrated simultaneously in more than 150 countries at 8,000 different locations, with the different events ranging from a 45K marathon to Zumba, and from Tai Chi to the medical care of children at the Thailand and Myanmar border, and visiting elderly people's house. Global Wellness Day will be celebrated on Saturday, June 13th, 2020. To get up that towards living well, let our discuss for Global Wellness Day. It's a There is a Global Wellness Day manifesto. There is a 7 steps manifesto is there. It's very important. In order to make wellness a lifestyle, Global Wellness Day aims to adopt the following 7 simple steps. What is the important is not to implement all of the steps all at once, but to incorporate at least just a few of them into your daily life on a regular basis. Number one is a walk for an hour. Walk for an hour. You will feel happier as you walk because the brain secretes endorphin while you are walking. You can keep fit by walking. Your muscles get stronger. Your loss belly fat. The level of cholesterol reduces, and it helps you overcome your weight problems. And number two, drink more water. People who drink less water might suffer exhaustion, attention deficiency, and memory problems. The more water you drink, the less carbonated drink you consume. And third one is the don't use plastic bottles. The plastic bottles made of petroleum waste cause innumerable damage to our health and the environment. So that is the reason don't use plastic bottles. And fourth one is the food. Eat healthy food. Try to consume foods which are produced through natural methods by using appropriate fertilization and weed control techniques without using pesticides and certain chemicals. And fifth one is a do a good deed. Do a good deed to break your prejudices, to make the world a better place to live. See how you will change your life. by changing someone else. That is called do a good deed. And sixth one is have a family dinner with your loved ones. Eat a family dinner with your loved ones in a room where, if possible, there are no smartphones and TV. Talk about your day, listen to each other recommendations. Some research shows that the family dinners with the loved ones have a psychologically positive effect on the children who suffer obesity. And seventh one, last one is that sleepy at 10 p.m. Sleep at 10 p.m. Sleep is a critical process during which our body regulates everything and repairs and heals itself. It slows down aging and protects us from disease. HGH means human growth hormones is released by the brain into bloodstream during the sleep, and its release is part of the repair and restoration function of sleep. The major period of the human growth hormone release is in the first period of the stage, third sleep during the night. So let us remind everything. I will be reminding to again 7 steps. Number 1 is a walk for hour, drink more water, don't use plastic bottles, eat healthy food, do a good deed, have a family dinner with your loved ones, and sleep at 10 p.m. They're all the 7 Global Wellness Day 7-step manifest. This is a very very important in your life. So let us understand the wellness importance, and you can be adapt to that everybody in your life. It is a good choice for that link up with your habits. Wellness is an what is exactly wellness? The wellness is an active process of becoming aware of and making choice towards a healthy and fulfilling life. It is more than being free from illness. It is a dynamic process of change and growth, a good or statistics satisfactory condition of existence, a state characterized by health, happiness, and prosperity welfare. So welfare is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of a disease of infirmity. The World Health Organization is clearly stated the wellness is state of the complete physical, mental, and social well-being. According to the several studies, the most common health problem in the world is a depression. The problem is often manifested in the form of insomnia, stress, poor nutrition, physical inactivity, obesity, and heart diseases. Irrespective of a person's age, size, shape, perceived attractiveness, it is a wellness that is a cornerstone of quality of life. It determines how we ultimately look, feel, interact with others, and thrive in life and work. Wellness is a conscious development of the whole life. Embarking on a wellness journey is a process of searching for the appropriate tools to make you a healthier and happier human being, plus discovering your own effective methods to use the tools for continued growth and development. As there is a great variety of all aspects of life, there are also countless ways to cultivate yourself on a ever-changing path of wellness. It is important to see that all of various concepts of wellness should include at least the lot of percepts, lot of following methods like holism. Holism is the your health and well-being are the outcomes of the constant interaction between the several natural dimensions of life and wellness. Each dimension is interrelated with the others. The aim is to be conscious of yourself as a whole and complete person, living life as fully as possible. And second one is the balance. While acknowledging the constantly changing nature of your life, you will look to be balanced by giving significant attention to each of the dimensions. The lack of sufficient attention to any one dimension will result in less than optimal development as a person and may possibly lead to chronic unhappiness. That is called balancing your life. And next, third, self-responsibility. A well person owns up to his or her responsibility for health and happiness and does not allow others to take control over decisions she needs to be make for him herself. Self responsibility presupposes self awareness, including the process by which one becomes increasingly more aware of both the causes and consequences of his or her behavior. And fourth one is the positive and proactive. In this wellness, positive and proactive, the wellness requires the primarily positive perspectives and values by which to live. It also requires a strong sense of purpose and conscious deliberation action. These are our starting assumptions and they have stood well through time. However, they provide merely a simple framework. What you put inside the framework is totally up to you. So this is a wellness is the five major perceptions: holism, balance, self responsibility, and positive and proactive. It will comes to everything for wellness of that part of global wellness day program. So everybody have to aware about that wellness program. There is a lot of wellness activities you can be do for yoga and do for that breathing and do for walks and do for sleeps, and whatever you feel that activity you should be aware and awake for this day, June 13th of every year. So there is a 25 valuable health and wellness awareness programs. You can avoid the smoking among the college students and alcoholic and problem drinkers, whoever that suffer that alcoholism. And you have to make for life for every day for drug rehab connections, addiction of recovery, and addiction centers. You can go for physical and mental health benefits, and luxury beach rehabs, and science based 12 myths, and healthy living and wellness. So wellness is for that, a lot of trends is there now. The wellness music also is there, wellness therapy also is there. So everything is the link up with that, depends upon your perceptions and things. So that is the reason global wellness program is the great awareness awake, and every year they will be understand and they are motivating for that celebrations, and create the awareness of that different programs. Like I told, 7 step manifesto. Number one, walk for an hour, drink more water, don't use plastic bottles, eat healthy food, do a good deed, have health family dinner with your loved ones, and sleep at 10 p.m. So lot of programs and awareness also they will be started. And in this every area in wellness program, in workplace area, in your home area, so they will be connecting for that every activity, and create the awareness program. So for this global wellness day programs. So global wellness day is that very important thought for that every year. It will be simply global wellness day is that started for that Belgin Oxoy received her degree from the Institute of that hotelier Reed, Switzerland. She has been the tourism and hotel industry 25 years. So he is a create his mission to create the physically, mentally, and spiritually better world for outcome. So the end 2004 she founded the Richmond New Wellness Spa, Turkey's first destination spa, and one of the Europe best equipped and award winning spas. So later 2012 she founded the Global Wellness Day, bringing her vision to world. Global Wellness Day celebrated with only complimentary activities around the world with the slogan, one day you can change your whole life. So in 2016 Global Wellness Institute awarded Aksai with a leading woman in wellness, which is the most prestigious award in the wellness spa industry, reaching up to the economic growth $4.5 million. She has also deemed to deserve the most influential spa leader award by the American Spa in the same year in 2019. Belgian Oxide was selected in the first non-French person to receive a Personal of the Year award by the Federation of Jubin Things. So like this, she started for this global wellness programs, and also she's a create a lot of awareness and advisors and ambassadors and key supporters. Everybody have given, and global ambassador also key supporters, and create the awareness and step forward transferring the movement of that beyond the borders. Global Wellness Day is the basic philosophy is to create a lasting awareness of living well for a people, and global wellness day ambassadors are working to spread the awareness around the world. So lot of supporters ambassadors and 110 countries around that world are working in the spread this movement in their countries, and global wellness day in the movement that transcend borders. So guys, let us understand the global wellness day awareness program and celebrate your workplace area.
The most common disease throughout the world, the greatest danger facing mankind. Don't think we're talking about a new virus. The name of the most common health problem on Earth is depression, also known as unhappiness. Unhappiness is not a simple problem. It means sleeplessness, stress, poor nutrition, inactivity, obesity, and heart disease. If you think that scientists will solve this problem, then you're wrong, because the solution is in your hands. Millions of people need an inspiring beginning, and the name of that inspiration is Global Wellness Day. Global Wellness Day is a journey of self-discovery where you find that you can change your whole life. Global Wellness Day, which brings together exercise, healthy eating, and spiritual teachings, is a social platform that will raise awareness of well-being. It is a step that can ignite the flame of happiness. Let's change the world together.
I say yes. I say yes. I say yes. Walk for an hour.
I say yes to positivity.
I say yes to plastic bottles. I say yes. Eat organic foods. I say yes to healthy. 3 and 10. I say yes. Say yes. Come join us. Solution is in your hands. Just say yes. The name of the beginning is Global Wellness Day. Be happy within yourself. You're ready to start and change lives. Just say yes. Be there.
Global Wellness Day, uluslararası bir yaşam günü olarak dünyada 5 kıtada 71 ülkede aynı anda kutlanıyor. Yılın her gününü Global Wellness Day gibi yaşamanızı diliyorum.
And Global Wellness Day is here to ignite the flame of inspiration in all of us.
Walk for an hour. I say yes. Drink more water. I say yes. I say yes to a good deed. I say yes. Have a family dinner. I say yes. Sleep at 10. I say yes. Say yes. Make wellness a lifestyle. Come join us. Solution is in your hands. Just say yes. The name of the beginning is Global Wellness Day.
Global Wellness Day, and this experience a 10.
The hotel taking Wellness Day to the next level, offering helipad yoga and a spa package now year-round.
Say yes. One day can change your whole life.